My name is Peter O'Sullivan. I'm studying cloud computing in NUI Galway. From the outset, my thoughts about the course was this is something that can really help me in my job. I work in Eircom as a pre-sales technical consultant and I deal in the area of ICT, and more conversations that I'm having with industry, with CIOs and IT directors is around the cloud and their plans to migrate to the cloud.
Cloud computing is a nascent, emergent area, and for lots of businesses they don't really know how to leverage it. And because this program comes out of a business school, we look at things not the technologies, we look at the value of cloud computing to business, the return on investment, the reasons why companies should use cloud technologies, what can they actually gain from it in terms of competitive advantage, and we explore all of those areas. So that becomes an incredibly valuable thing to talk about at interviews. One thing about the MSc in Cloud Computing Research is we have run dedicated workshops and research workshops for students to present their work, and they get feedback from industry. So we've had many people from various industries, from Dimension Data through to Hewlett-Packard, Microsoft in Dublin, Version 1, and lots of other companies who come to this event. And that's a really valuable thing to sort of keep you on track and say, well, this is really useful, we'd like to talk to you a bit further, or I've done something like this and I can send you something afterwards. So that gives you access to a huge sort of a vast, beyond the supervisor, a bunch of people for feedback.
Knowledge on cloud computing, skills on cloud computing are very much sought after. There's a lot of new innovative companies looking for people with those rare skills, and also a lot of existing companies, big, large multinationals based in Galway and in Ireland, are also looking for people in that field. Eircom Business has developed a cloud capability, a set of enablement services. So having those conversations and being able to have deeper, more interesting conversations about the cloud from the knowledge I've gained and from the research I've done is really helping me in those day-to-day meetings with clients. Also, a move for me into the Eircom cloud team directly is something that's is likely to happen. So I'm looking forward to that new chapter, which will be a direct result of engaging in this Cloud Masters.